Now you can see that red emulsion tube there. So a lot of times, I mean, those don't usually go bad, and sometimes they get stuck in there. So sometimes I worry about trying to poke that back down through, but I'll do it today just for demonstration purposes. You just initially take your flathead screwdriver and just kind of poke it down a little bit. As far as it will go. And now you can see it's missing, it's gone, it's down. It's starting to come out the bottom here. Box here. I got a little Allen wrench. So stick my Allen wrench in there. And try and poke it out the bottom the rest of the way. There we go. And there you can see the emulsion tube.